How to recover deleted or missing Google Photos. So if you want to recover deleted or missing Google Photos, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your Google Photos, open up your Google Photos. After opening your Google Photos, now you can go with collections, which is on the bottom, and here you need to go with trash, and here you may have the deleted or missing Google Photos. You can recover from these, but unfortunately if you've emptied your trash and if you are facing any problem to recover, then you can go with the profile, which is on the top right, and go with help and feedback. After tapping on help and feedback, you need to go with ask the help community, and here you need to go with the answers. So you need to enter I want my deleted photos back on the short summary of your issue, and under the problem you need to explain I have accidentally deleted some of my pictures of this and this date. I have checked my trash and archive and couldn't find them. Please help me to recover those photos. It's very important for me. And after that, you need to select your category. So the category goes like recover photos or restore photos. And in the same way, you need to go with the second step. And after following these steps, you can confirm and post, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.